Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service. We're excited to dive deep into the fascinating world of Samsung today, specifically focusing on the Samsung A05s. This iconic device has been a game changer in the consumer electronics market, and if you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, you're in for a treat. Today we're talking about a specific yet crucial aspect of maintaining your Samsung A05s, the LCD replacement. For those who might be new to the world of smartphone repairs, the LCD liquid crystal display is the screen that displays all the visuals on your device. It's the most visible and interactive part of your phone, making it prone to damage from accidental drops, scratches, or other forms of wear and tear. A damaged LCD can significantly impact your user experience, making it difficult to navigate through your phone's interface, read texts, or even make calls. Replacing the LCD on your Samsung A05s can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with smartphone repairs. However, with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can successfully replace the LCD and restore your phone to its former glory. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of replacing the LCD on your Samsung A05s, highlighting the essential tools you'll need and providing tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Before we begin, it's essential to note that replacing the LCD on your Samsung A05s will void its warranty, so make sure you're out of the warranty period or have weighed the risks before proceeding. Additionally, this process requires a certain level of technical expertise, so if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, it's recommended to seek the help of a professional. To replace the LCD on your Samsung A05s, you'll need a few essential tools, including a new LCD screen compatible with your device, a screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, and some adhesive strips. You can find these tools online or at a local electronics store. Once you have all the necessary tools, you can start the replacement process. The first step is to remove the back cover of your Samsung A05s, which will give you access to the phone's internal components. This is typically done by removing a few screws and carefully prying the back cover off. Next, you'll need to disconnect the battery connector and remove the mid-frame screws to access the LCD screen. With the mid-frame removed, you can carefully lift the LCD screen and disconnect it from the motherboard. This is a delicate process, so be sure to handle the screen with care to avoid any further damage. Once the old LCD is removed, you can install the new one, making sure it's properly connected to the motherboard and secured with the provided adhesive strips. After installing the new LCD, you can reassemble your phone in the reverse order that you disassembled it. Make sure all the screws are tightened securely, and the back cover is properly aligned before screwing it back on. In conclusion, replacing the LCD on your Samsung A05s can be a bit challenging, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can successfully restore your phone's display to its former glory. Remember to be careful when handling the screen and other internal components. And don't hesitate to seek help if you're not comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'd love to hear from you and help with any concerns you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content, including reviews, tutorials, and news.